My name is Kayla Frawley, and I am the Manager of Policy and Advocacy at Clayton Early Learning. I'm here today to ask for your support for House Bill 1010. Clayton Early Learning is an innovation hub that fosters thriving, equitable communities by partnering with families to nurture the whole child and whole family. We discover what works and advance systems change. And every year we serve over 500 families through school, home, and community-based programs. We provide a multi-generational, holistic approach to care for young children and their families to cultivate equitable opportunities for children to thrive and support family economic security. Clayton takes a whole child, whole family approach, and we serve and advocate for families who are considered low-income working families, and we have a diverse staff that serves across sectors in the classroom, in community and family engagement, in research and eval, and in policy and advocacy. The average annual income of a child care provider in Colorado falls just above federal poverty level. Many educators receive public assistance just to make ends meet for their own families, and often the demands of the job, coupled with a sector-wide average low pay, contributes to high levels of staff dissatisfaction and turnover. Further, the vast majority of early childhood educators in the field are women, and many women of color. We cannot continue to urge women and people of color to enter the early childhood sector and educator field if we know that puts their own economic self-sufficiency and job satisfaction at risk. Caregivers and early childhood educators have been working to serve Coloradan families on the front lines of the pandemic, putting their health at risk to sustain our local economies, and we owe it to them to ensure that the bill that passed in 2019 is implemented successfully and early childhood educators can receive the tax credit that they so deserve. The tax credit will not be the one and only solution to support our early child care workforce, but it is a worthwhile strategy to improve access to care for families who need it and a healthier workforce in general. Because of these reasons, we urge you to support the Early Childhood Income Tax Credit, House Bill 22-1010. Thank you so much for your time.